equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button while gently pulling the battery away from the main body. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws that may still be holding it in place. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, let's focus on the ring. The ring is located at the front of the vacuum, just above the cleaner head. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the ring in place. There are typically 3 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe spot. After removing the screws, gently lift the ring off. Be cautious, as there may be small components attached. If you notice any wear or damage, it's advisable to replace these parts as well. Before installing the new ring, clean the area thoroughly. This will ensure a snug fit and optimal performance. If you need assistance with this, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make an informed decision. Now, take your new ring and align it with the vacuum. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. With the ring in place, it's time to install the new battery. Align the battery with the connectors in the compartment and push it in until you hear a click. This indicates that it's securely attached. Finally, give your Dyson V10 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. If you're unsure about any step or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your vacuum and give it a test run. Check for any unusual sounds or issues. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery and ring on your Dyson V10. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to keep your vacuum in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.